In today's episode of our Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire design workflow on how I created this simple and stunning birthday flyer using Adobe Photoshop. If today is your first time on my channel, click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon so that anytime I drop new video, you'll be the first person to get notified. Now let's get into the video. So the first I'm going to do is to set up my canvas size, and of course we are using the 4.5 by 5 unit measurement where the width is 4.5 and the height is 5, right? The unit should be in inches, and then leave everything as it is. You can go ahead and then give your project a name, but I'm going to maintain it like that. Then I'm going to click on the create button. Now I'm going to head over to my resource files. Then I'm going to drag and drop this image right here, which is my background image, right? Then I'm going to adjust it this way, then click on this guy. So I'm going to head over to my image tab and then click on adjustment and then come to hue and saturation, and I'm going to apply some adjustments here. So I'm going to increase the saturation all the way to 100, and then let's see what we can do with the hue. So I'm going to keep the hue at -9, right? And then let's see the lightness. Okay, so -2 is okay for me. Then I'm going to click on OK. And then I'm going to do is to rasterize the image. So rasterize, and then head over to my eraser tool, right? Then I'm going to increase the size. Then I'm using a soft round brush. I'm going to get rid of the background like this. Okay, so this is okay for me. Great. Now the next I'm going to do is head over to my shape tools and then select the the ellipse tool, and I'm going to draw a circle like this, right? And I'm going to keep it right here, reduce the size, click on this guy, and then come here, click on these 3 dots here, come down here and then click on this drop arrow here and select the canvas. Now click on this align right here, which is the align horizontal centers. Click on it to position it right in the middle. Now I'm going to change the color, so let's use something like this. Okay, so I think 61000B is the color code, right? I'm going to right click on it and then click on rasterize layer. I'm going to head over to my eraser tool, and I'm going to decrease the size. Alright, let me just enter the size. So we are using 700 pixels. Now I'm going to get rid of the middle of the circle like that, right? Great. So this is what I'm going to do. First, let me lock the background image. Now I'm going to head over to my Polygonal lasso tool, and I'm going to cut off this part like that, right? So like this, right click on it and then click on layer via cut, and I'm going to adjust it this way. Great. Now I'm going to change the color for this particular section here. So go to effects and then move to color overlay, and then this is the color code that we are using. We have FF4E00. Click on OK, click on OK. Now I'm going to head over to my resource files and then drag and drop my first image, which is this image right here. Bring it in like this. Click on this guy, right click on it to rasterize, and then head over to your select tab. Click on subject and then wait for the subject to be selected so you can get rid of the background. As simple as that. Alright, now that we have our image selected, now head over to this guy and then click on it to get rid of the background, just like that. Now I'm going to right click on it and then click on convert to smart object. Right click on it again and then click on rasterize layer. Now head over to eraser tool. Then we are going to get rid of the lower part like that. Now I'm going to increase the size. Alright, so let me just resize everything because it looks big, right? Okay. Now let's get rid of the lower parts. Okay, so I think this is okay. Now that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to duplicate the image, the picture of the lady. So on the keyboard, press on Ctrl+J like that, another Ctrl+J to make a duplicate. Now you are going to merge them together. like that, right? The reason is very simple, because we deleted the lower parts. There was some kind of transparency at the top of the image, so we have to get rid of that. All right, so this is good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is to bring in my next image, which is this image right here. Bring it here, and just like we did for the first one, right, select subject. Now click on this guy, and the background is gone just like that. So I'm going to resize it and then keep it right here. Let me see. Okay, so this is quite okay for me. Click on this guy. I'm going to create a new layer and then move it down like that. Then I'm going to grab my brush tool, and then so this is the settings, right? You have to close in here to get what we want. We are using a soft round brush, and then the foreground color is black, so I'm going to apply it here like that. Now you have a shadow effect right there. The next thing I'm going to do is to head over to my resource files, right? Now I'm going to go back and then come to the icons and others. Now everything that I'm using here is right in the Ultimate Graphic Design resource pack, right? So if you have it, you are good to go. Now I'm going to drag and drop this image right here. Click on this guy, then I'm going to resize it like this and then keep it right here. Okay, let's see. Awesome, right? Great. Then I'm going to decrease the opacity to something like 30%. It's good, and then move it down like that. Awesome. And I'm going to lock this as well so that it doesn't distract us. Now I'm going to add my text. Resize it, and then I'm going to keep it right here. Click on this guy, then let's change the font. So we have this font here called University Roman LET, right? Great. I'm going to keep it right here. Then I'm going to add my next text quickly, right? Because it's very much easy to add your text. Now let's add our last text, and then we are good to go. So we have, first let me change the font to Montserrat, because that's what we are doing, and then decrease the size to 10 points. And then I'm going to add my last text, which is happy birthday, right? So I'm going to change this to bold, decrease the size. Now on your keyboard, press on Ctrl+T to transform. Right click on it and then click on rotate 90 degrees counterclockwise like that. And I'm going to put it right here and then increase the tracking like this. Okay, let me put it right here. Great. Now if you can go ahead and then decrease the opacity for this resource that we added. So all right, so I think this is quite okay for me. I head over to your resource files, and then we have this image also here that we are going to make use of. If you don't have the resource files, I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video so that you can get your copy, right? So we are going to drag and drop this image right here to Photoshop like this. Then I'm going to rotate it and adjust it this way, move it down this way like that, then keep it right here. Beautiful. I'm going to increase the size. Okay, so click on this guy. Now I'm going to move it all the way down, right? So I'm going to head over to my image tab and then click on adjustment and then click on the color balance. Then we can do some adjustments right here. So I'm going to click on OK, go to image adjustments, and then this time around hue and saturation, and then let's do this slight adjustment as well. Okay, so this is okay for me. I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to change the blending option from normal to dissolve, like that, and there we have it, looking so stunning and beautiful. If you want, you can go ahead and then color grade your images to make them look beautiful, right? And copying as well. So let's quickly do that. I'm going to select my first subject, right click on it, and then click on convert to smart object, and then head over to my filter tab, click on the camera raw filter, and then we are going to do some basic adjustments here, right? So just come to saturation, which is under basic adjustment, and then increase it a little. Come to the exposure, increase it, right? As for this part, it's just you and your PC, so anyhow you want to color grade it, you just have to do that. Now I think this is quite okay for me, so I'm going to click on OK. Great. And then you can also go ahead and then do same for the second image. Now there we have our beautiful birthday flyer. If you find this video helpful, click on that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell icon. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, I also leave the link in the description of the video, and of course the Ultimate Graphic Design Resource Pack as well. Let me know what to think about this video, any suggestion, anything you wish we could have done better, right? Until I come your way with another Photoshop tutorial, I'm out.